peeking in the background is the Freedom Tower and the arch of the Brooklyn Bridge. Our intention today is to document some street food in Manhattan. This was always my goal, but because of the pandemic, it take a backseat and we just decided to do some tutorial from home. Finding street food vendors in Manhattan was no easy task. We drive blocks upon block without no success, but as we decide to call it a wrap, we spot a vendor at one of Central Park entrance.
Hello?
It's impossible for video now because how it's set up is like an indoor.
Even though this food truck wasn't ideal to film, things was looking promising as we start to spot multiple vendors along the Central Park, so we decided to make the trip the following day, and that's what we did. The following day we enter Manhattan from a different entrance, Midtown Tunnel. Hi guys, welcome to BLFTv, and it's your girl Fayna, and today we are taking you in the street of Manhattan, and we're gonna show you guys how they do their street food and all of that. Hopefully we get some footage. Testing the water, guys, going wider and wider, you know. BLFTv is all about cooking, and you know, food cook everywhere in the street. Don't have to be boss lady in the kitchen all the time, right? Yes, so it feels good to be out of the house. Yeah, definitely do. So as I strolled past these horses, the temptation was there for a carriage ride. But onward we go. As I climbed this hill was a slight disappointment because the vendors I approached didn't wish to be filmed up close. But I will give you my opinion on what I purchased. Even though I was disappointed, I noticed most of the meal was pre-cooked. Plus, I can't wait to sit and enjoy this view. This I'm having here is called shawarma. I usually used to have shawarma when I was living in St. Martin, and it used to be very good. So now is my first time buying it here in Manhattan, New York. Hi.
Hi.
Can I get a lamb gyro and a chicken gyro?
Sure, my love.
Thank you.
Give me a second, I'll wash my hands.
Okay. Which one of your food is the specialty over here that people buy? Which one of your food is the specialty that people buy the most?
This is chicken and lamb.
The
This is
chicken?
mostly people get chicken and lamb.
Chicken and lamb.
Lamb, yeah.
Okay. So you do like shawarma?
Yes.
You do
Like
shawarma?
a sandwich. Like a chicken gyro, lamb gyro.
Okay.
It's nice. Taste them very good.
Oh. But it's in a, like a bread?
Yes, but
The shawarma?
I should. Like this.
Oh, you know what? Let me have the shawarma. The lamb shawarma
Okay.
and the chicken gyro.
Sure.
Okay. I used to eat the shawarma in St. Martin, and it used to be very good, so I hope this one is good as that one.
Okay. Where are you from?
Jamaica. And it's an Egyptian guy who made this one, so I'm gonna try it and tell you how it tastes. As you know, you got to get into the dough, the meat, the vegetable, and everything, and the sauce and everything to get the taste all combined together to know what it really tastes like. So cute. A cute little bird, eh?
What kind of sauce? Same?
The white sauce normally be good.
Sure.
Yeah,
White sauce.
yeah. That
No
is
spicy?
a little bit of spicy.
A little spice.
Okay. Okay, so this tastes very good. You have this spicy, it's well seasoned, the meat is well seasoned. They have a creamy sauce, similar like mayo, like that mild taste. You get this crunchiness from the vegetable, which is the lettuce, and then you have the spice. So it's like a balance. On a scale of out of 10, I'll give it an 8. Because the one in St. Martin, I'll definitely give it a 10 plus. So just to be fair, yeah, but it tastes good too. So I'm gonna get into it some more. How much?
28.
Okay, I have 100, okay? Okay, here we go. Where you from?
Egypt.
Egypt?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Nice meeting someone from Egypt.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, my love.
So as I wrap up that sandwich, we stroll the park a bit, enjoy the view and exit the city. Catch you in a city or a town near you. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for future uploads.